Today I'm going to be reviewing Eco's new Sativa line, as in like cannabis, as in like weed. Hey girl, hey, it's Naturally May. Thank you so much for joining and welcome back to my channel. So, before we start, this is the first video that I am shooting since launching Naturally May officially. And I just have to say thank you so much to everyone who's watched my first video, commented on my first video, like followed me on various social media sites. Thank you so much. And thank you for those who went to my blog, naturallynay.com, and read the articles that I wrote and just checked me out. I appreciate you so much. What the hell was that? Hello. I just want to thank you so much for all the support. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you've subscribed, thank you. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, become a follower. I got lots more videos coming out, lots of things going on, something new every day. Join and keep up with me. So thank you. Just wanted to take a second out to sincerely say thank you to everyone who supported me thus far. With that said, what are we doing today? All right, so today, this is the first time I've washed my hair since getting it straightened. It doesn't matter how many times I straighten my hair, I'm always nervous when I wash it because I don't want there to be any heat damage. I don't want any scraggly parts, and I want my curls to look like they looked before I went to the stylist. And here's the thing about this time around with my hair straightened. I was happy about the length. I was happy that my hair grown some, but here's what had happened. The weekend after I got my hair pressed, I went to the beach. So by a week after getting my press, these ends was like whoosh, drawed up by that salt water. So I have been rocking a bun. I did some flat twists like around my hair and pinned it up real cute. So we're gonna see if my curls come back. If you watched the video when I got my hair colored. This is my least favorite part of the process. Water be dripping all down your forehead, and then after it's freshly colored, it's like blue water. But we getting the hydration treatment going. Steam it up, steam it up. You know that there is specific shampoo and conditioner that I'm using. Pravana Chrome Silk Vivid shampoo and conditioner. But that's not what today's episode is about. Today I'm going to be reviewing Eco's new Sativa line. This is Eco's natural line. I have the Cannabis Sativa Oil Moisture Lock-In Conditioner. That's what this is. And then I have the Cannabis Sativa Oil Natural Moisturizer Leave-In Conditioner. Right there you go. Can you see that? So they use cannabis sativa oil to help hydrate the hair. The lock-in conditioner is supposed to moisturize while leaving your hair glowing, softly scented, and super soft, as is the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in is supposed to be an intensive, deep conditioner that restores, repairs, strengthens, and revitalizes your hair and scalp. So yeah, sativa oil. Never use a product with that in it. That's all I'm gonna say about that. This is, okay. Let me give you a bit of a precursor. I'm doing my hair today because I have a wedding to go to tomorrow. If you have checked out my blog post, go to my life page and you'll see where I wrote all about the struggles and the drama that I went through with trying to get prepared for this wedding. So for you, on the day that I'm trying to get my curls to come back to life, I'm going to trust Eco as my deep conditioner. We gonna pray that don't nothing go wrong, and I don't end up going to this wedding in a sideshow ball. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to go off camera. You know, I don't know. Maybe one of these days I'll let you guys watch me wash my hair.
This is your color lock.
Okay.
Okay. So if you shampoo, you have to do it with whole.
All right. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I know, right, Willow? What? Get off my counter!
A few moments later.
So I have washed and conditioned my hair in the cold water per instructed by my beautician with the Vivid's Color Protecting Shampoo and Conditioner. So we can start to see what my curls are looking like. And what has happened is what I was afraid would happen. I can tell where the color treated areas are experienced a little bit of heat damage, but I don't know if it's from the heat or if it's just from the color. But the color is bomb though. All right, so my hair has been parted into 4 sections, and now it is time to use the Eco Natural, not Eco Styler, Eco Natural leave-in conditioner. Okay, it's got like a perfumey cologne scent, almost like soap. It smells earthy. I wonder if that's the weed. Let's pray over this. Heavenly Father, we come before you today and we just ask that this leave-in conditioner bounce these curls. Lord, let it moisturize, let it penetrate the shaft, and let it do what it's supposed to do, and let it help my hair look bomb for tomorrow. I don't know if you heard that, but amen. As I'm combing through it, I feel like it's straighter than it. I don't see the curl. See, this is the thing. When I put it in there, it's fine. It's cool. I see curls, but when I comb through, okay. Let me get my attitude together. So far, I really like the way it smells. Gonna go to the dryer now. That's my own fault. I shouldn't have did this right before I had to get my hair together for a wedding. But you know what? No, I prayed over this, and so I'm gonna trust and have faith that God got my head. Whatever sewing may go on with these products. When I'm done with the finished product in the morning, when I get ready for this wedding, I'm gonna be good because God has me. In His name, amen.
6 hours later.
So let's see what this is doing. Okay, I'll say it feels really soft, but I don't know how I'm feeling about my curl pattern right now. So I have this Cannabis or Eco Naturals Cannabis Sativa Oil Moisture Lock-In Conditioner. Oh, so if you purchase this and you get it and you're confused on how to open it, there's a little tab here right under the spray nozzle. You gotta push that down. You can lock this. So let's see what this looks like when it comes out. Okay. So its consistency is like a cream. All right. Oh. Wait. All right, so I know, what's the ingredients in it? This smells of the earth. This smells of the cannabis. Alrighty then. I have a effectively LCO'd my hair. We gonna do a twist out. How about that?
Eventually.
All right, guys. So I have completed all of the twists. I have basically 5 twists in each section. In the back, I just have regular twists hanging down. In the front, I have flat twists going towards the front of my head. At this point, I'm just trying to do whatever I can to make sure that I have like a actual curl pattern. And under normal circumstances, my hair is a little weird at the ends whenever I do twists and braid outs. Like it generally tends to be stick straight even when I'm confident with my curl pattern. So today, with my lack of confidence in the way my curls looked before I placed them in these twists, I definitely think I'm gonna put just a little perm rod on the end, and I'll show you that when I take them out in the morning. Good night.
Tomorrow.
And it's time to see what's really going on up under this bonnet. Remember, I got a wedding to go to, so I'm in the preparation stages of trying to get together for this wedding. So I've started putting my little face on. So we're gonna take this bonnet off, see what's going on with these twists, take them down, and see what we can do about this hair. It's really soft, but not quite as moisturized as I'm used to. I can work with it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to just wear my hair out.
12 seconds later.
This is the final look. It didn't come out too bad. So, overall thoughts on Eco Naturals, the Cannabis Sativa oil. I just have the leave-in conditioner and the lock-in moisturizing conditioner. First of all, let me say that these are not the only 2 products in this line. This line also has a co-wash, which I was able to purchase, sativa oil for your hair also. I'm not giving up my secret sauce, so I wasn't interested in the sativa oil. All in all, I think I did this product a disservice by using it when I did. So hindsight being 2020, if I could replay this over, I would not have used it this time around. I think that I personally have had too much manipulation to my hair in terms of the press and the color that I've gotten to really give this a completely accurate review. If you have super dry hair that absorbs moisture, I don't know if I would suggest this line for you. But if you're more on the 4A to 3 type curl type, you might be able to work with this. What I will do is I think I'm going to give it another shot, but I will do that once I feel a little bit more comfortable with my curls. I think after the press, my curl pattern is not what it was before, and I've got to work to make sure I put more moisture in my hair to revitalize and get my curls back to where they were, and this product is not the product that's gonna do it. But all in all, my style came out pretty dope. I'm pretty comfortable, pretty confident. It's a little scraggly at the ends because of everything that I've been putting my hair through, so my curl isn't as bouncy or isn't as defined as I'm used to it being, or as spirally as I'm used to it being, but don't worry girl, I'm gonna show y'all how to get that back. All in all, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. As always, I'm wedding flow ready. If you've been on naturallynae.com, my blog site, you saw the article that I talked about this wedding that I'm about to go to. So if you read it, this isn't the dress, but I'm gonna talk about the dress on my blog site, www.naturallynae.com. If you got a second, go check it out. It's where I get to write about all my antics outside of natural hair. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Keep watching, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see how I'm gonna work on getting these curls back to where I wanted them and get these little scraggly ends back spiraled, honey. I love you guys. Have a blessed one. Bye.